Hello everyone. Today let us understand what are prime factors. Prime factors, as the name suggests, are the factors of a number which are prime. We already know factors are the numbers that multiply together to give a particular number. So out of those factors, the numbers which are prime are called as prime factors. For example, if we take the number 12, let us write down 12 in a factor tree. Let us find their factors. Now for 12, I know we get 1 times 12. Now here 1 and 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we will leave this. 12 is a composite number. So we will leave this. We will again find the factors of 12. Now 12 we have 2 times 6. Now 2 is a prime number. So wherever we get a prime number, we will circle it. Now 6. 6 has factors as 2 and 3. Here 2 is also a prime number. So let us just circle it. 3 is a prime number. So let's circle it. Now, we get that the factors of number 12 are 1, 2, 3. We also have 4 as a factor, but it's not over here in factor 3. And we have 6 and 12. Here, number 4, 2 and 3 are prime in nature. We have circled them. So the prime factors, according to the factor 3 of 12, are 2 and 3. Now, let us understand this concept more deeply using further examples. We know we have done for number 12. Let us move on to number 16. For 16, we get 4 times 4 is 16. Now, 4 can further be divided into 2 into 2. Again, 2 into 2. Here, number 2 is a prime number. Hence, prime factor of 16 is only 2. There is no other prime number which is a factor of 16. Now, let us move on to 18. 2 times 9 gives us 18. Over here, let us circle number 2. 9 is 3 times 3. 3 is also a prime number. So, let us circle 3. Hence, we get that number 2 and 3 are prime factors of 18. Now for 24, we get 2 times 24. Now 2 times 12, sorry, 12 can further be divided into 2 times 6 and further 6 can be done as 2 times 3. Now let us circle the prime numbers. We know 2 is a prime number. Hence let's circle 2 everywhere and we know 3 is a prime number. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3. I hope the concept of prime factors is clear through these examples. Keep liking and sharing my videos. Thank you.